Hello everybody. Today I want to present about the factors that affect to the quality and the quantity of bamboo water. About introductions. From the research, we found that in the bamboo water contains the nutrients, steroid, high protein, and some percent that can detoxify from our body. It can help the decreases as the diabetic, the hypertension, and the arthritis. So we want to know that which factor that affect to the quality and the quantity of bamboo water and how they can affect to the quality and the quality of bamboo water. About our process, firstly we will sampling the bamboo water and we will collect the quality data and collect the environment data. After that we will analyze this data and put it in the growth data. About objective, firstly, we want to study about the factor that affect to the quality of bamboo water. The second, we want to study about the factor that affect to the quality of bamboo water. And the last one, we want to study about the relationship between the various factors that affect to the quality and the quantity of bamboo water. About our research question. Firstly, which factor does they affect to the quality and quantity of bamboo water? And the second you want the question is how do the factor affect to the quality and the quantity of bamboo water? About the methodologies, about the study site, we sampling the bamboo water in Banasan, Suratthani, South Thailand. And about the data collection, we collect the data about quality data and environment data since October to December in 2019. And about the data analysis, we use correlation coefficients and semantic regressions analysis. About the result and discussions, the first table we show about the results of quantitative data analysis of biosphere. We found that the correlation between volume and tree height has the most positive correlation, and the correlation between pH and tree height, between pH and tree circumference, and between volume and gramineal biomass have the most negative correlation. And this table is show about the result of qualitative data analysis of soil fertility. It shows that the correlation between volume and nitrogen, between volume and phosphorus, and between volume and potassium have the most positive correlation. And this table is show about the result of quantitative data analysis of pedosphere. We found that the correlation between pH and soil temperature has the most positive correlation, and the correlation between volume and particle size distribution has the most negative correlation. And this table will show about the result of quantitative data analysis of hydrosphere. We don't find any variables that have the enough importance that affect to the about hydrosphere variables. And this table will show about the result of quantitative data analysis of atmosphere. We found that the correlation between volume and RH, between volume and minimum current temperature, have the most positive correlation, and correlation between pH and minimum current temperature has the most negative correlation. And this table in the left table is about the relation between soil moisture, soil pH, particles, and particle size distribution per volume that affect to the variance of volume of bamboo water. It have adjust as squared 98.2%. And in the right table is the relation between RH, maximum current temperature, and minimum current temperature that affect to the variance of volume of bamboo water. It can affect to the variance 98.2%. And in the left table it shows about the relation between canopy cover, ground cover that affect to the variance of volume of bamboo water. It can affect to the variance 92.4%. And in the right table it shows about the relation between tree height, tree circumference, and gramineal biomass that can affect to the variance of volume of bamboo water. It can affect to the variance 83%. About this paragraph is show about all of variables affect to volume of bamboo water. We found that almost amount of bamboo water increase when parameters are higher. And in this paragraph show about of variables effect to pH of bamboo water. We found that almost amount of bamboo water is linear trends in paragraph. About the conclusion from data analysis, regression coefficients and regressions. About the volume of bamboo water, we found that the variable consists of canopy cover, ground cover, and particle size distribution effect to decrease the volume of bamboo water, but the variables consist of three: high nitrogen, phosphate, potassium, relative humidity, minimum current temperature, and tree circumference effect to increase volume of bamboo water. And about pH of bamboo water, we found that the variable consists of canopy cover and ground cover effect to decrease the pH of bamboo water, and the variable of consists of water pH, salinity, tree height, tree circumference, minimum current temperature, and RH effect to increase pH of bamboo water. This is our reference. Thank you.